Fennel, Feniculum vulgare, is a flavorful herb with a long history of culinary and medicinal use. Here's an expanded explanation of how fennel works to relax the gastrointestinal tract and alleviate digestive discomfort. Relaxation of gastrointestinal tract. Fennel contains compounds such as anethole, fenchone, and estragol, which have been found to possess carminative properties. These compounds work synergistically to relax the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, including the stomach and intestines. By promoting muscle relaxation, fennel helps to ease digestive spasms and cramps, allowing for smoother digestion and reduced discomfort. Reduction of bloating. One of the key benefits of fennel is its ability to reduce bloating, a common symptom of digestive issues such as indigestion, gas, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Fennel seeds contain volatile oils that have been shown to have anti-flatulent properties, helping to alleviate gas and bloating by aiding in the expulsion of gas from the digestive system. This can provide relief from feelings of fullness, tightness, and abdominal distension. Alleviation of gas. Fennel's carminative properties also contribute to its effectiveness in relieving gas and flatulence. By promoting the release of trapped gas and preventing its formation in the first place, fennel helps to reduce the discomfort and embarrassment associated with excessive gas production. This can lead to improved digestive comfort and a reduction in symptoms such as belching and intestinal cramping. Relief from indigestion. Fennel has traditionally been used as a natural remedy for indigestion, or dyspepsia, due to its carminative and digestive properties. By stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and promoting the breakdown of food, fennel helps to ease the digestive process and reduce symptoms such as heartburn, acid reflux, and feelings of fullness. Additionally, fennel's soothing effect on the gastrointestinal tract can help to calm inflammation and irritation, further alleviating indigestion. Antimicrobial effects. Fennel contains compounds with antimicrobial properties, including phytonutrients such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds help to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract, which can contribute to digestive discomfort and inflammation. By supporting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, fennel promotes overall digestive wellness and may help to prevent digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Overall, fennel's ability to relax the gastrointestinal tract, reduce bloating and gas, and alleviate indigestion makes it a valuable herb for promoting digestive health and comfort. Whether consumed as a tea, eaten raw, or used as a spice in cooking, fennel can be incorporated into your daily routine to support optimal digestion and well-being.